It's the middle of July and I'm still pale. How is that even happening? So literally like 2 weeks ago, my boyfriend and I decided that we want to go to New York. We literally just bought tickets and now we're going. I'm so excited to go. I love New York. The last time I went was October, and this is my first plane ride Enzo and I have ever been on together. We've been together for like 4.5 years and we've never gone on a plane together. One of the reasons we decided to go was because one of our friends is in New York for the summer, so we're gonna be visiting her and then just doing a bunch of fun things. I'm so excited, but I also need to prep. I have so much to do and we're leaving in a few days. So I'm on a time crunch to figure out my outfits, to get everything done. This is gonna be a few days of prepping, and then actually being there and filming and showing you guys what we're doing is gonna be so fun too. So I'm excited. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm going. I like haven't processed it yet. You know what I mean? Like it came too fast. So the first thing I did was I got my hair done. I got a trim, I got curtain bangs, and I got highlights. So I'm so happy with that. I think it turned out so cute. And next I need to get my nails done. I really want to get a fill and I want to get my nails to match my outfits. So I think I'm just going to get really simple nails so that they match everything. So I'm going to go get my nails done right now and I'll show you guys what they look like after. My nails are done. They came out so cute. Oh my God, they came out perfect. I ended up getting a whole new set of acrylics, so it was expensive. My total was like $85, but I think they came out literally perfect. The design is so cute, and since they're fresh nails, they just look so much better. My nails are like short again on the back, so definitely worth it. I needed a new set. They're perfect for my trip. Like I feel like these are so like New York nails. Do you know what I mean? Damn, I was in there for like 2 hours. I just love them so much. Like, she did such a good job. So yesterday I went to the mall to pick out clothes and accessories for my trip, and I ended up getting a lot of really good stuff. And I also just got a package. Pretty much have all my clothes ready. It's just a matter of picking out outfits and putting things together. But I want to give you guys a little haul. So what just came in the box is from Urban Outfitters. I got a bunch of cute stuff, but I'm still waiting for one more thing. First, I got this top. It's this pink, soft, long sleeve top. It's so cute. It has this like ribbed detail. I just love the color so much, and it's supposed to fit off your shoulder. It was $55. I'm planning to wear this at nighttime because it's gonna be so hot during the day. Next, I got this top. It's just a black tank top with a low V-neck, and then it has like a racer back. Super comfy. I have this shirt in 2 colors, and when I saw the black one, I was like, honestly, I could totally wear that. It's one of those shirts that you don't really have to wear a bra with, which is a plus, so it's extra comfy. It's like super simple, so I already kind of have an idea of how I'm gonna style this. Next, I got this purse. I love it so much. It is so cute. It's this like woven material with this green and has silver detailing. Look at the inside. It is so cute. Like the pattern in there is so nice. My favorite part of the bag is the strap. It's all these like circles and they're so cute. I just love it so much. I think it's so pretty. It's a long strap bag too. I'm so excited. This is so cute. It reminds me of like a picnic bag. But yeah, the strap is everything. I love it so much. And then lastly from Urban Outfitters, I got this ring set. It's gold and green. I just think it's super cute. I love how many different ones there are. It'll just be nice to have more ring options. So that's everything I got from Urban. I'm still waiting on one more thing to come in my order. I think it'll come tomorrow. And next I'll show you what I got from the mall. First, I went to Free People and they gave me this bag. Like this is the bags they give you when you buy something. Isn't that so cute? I got 2 things. Free People is so expensive. First is this bodysuit. It's light pink and then it has this like square neckline. It just fits so flattering. It reminds me of like a ballerina. The fabric is just really good quality, but I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. And then I got a necklace. It came in this really nice bag, which honestly I might use when I travel. So I ended up getting this necklace. It's this double layered silver necklace and it has all of these blue beads on it and then this silver part at the bottom. So pretty. So this is one necklace. It's just 2 layers. This was $38, which is insane. But I think these 2 pieces were honestly 2 of my favorite things I got. I don't think I would wear them together, but I'm definitely gonna bring both of these on the trip. Next, I went to Garage. I've actually found a lot of nice things there recently. So first I got these pants. They're these green cargo pants and they actually are flared, which I love. That's like my favorite style of pants. I love the pockets, all the details going on. They're really cute. They're low rise. I'm hoping to get some good use out of these as well. We'll see. I think they're really cute. I definitely want to try styling these. These were $70. Oh my God, I didn't even realize that. Next, I got this skirt, which is so cute. It's black, short, and then it has this little slit in it. It's very short, but it has shorts underneath. It's super comfy. The waist actually dips in a little bit right here, so it's almost like a V, and it just looks so flattering. Next, I got this top. It's this blue cropped short sleeve top. It's really nice, simple, comfy, easy to throw on. It's very cropped. This was $25. This with the necklace would be so nice. This I picked up a while ago, but I'm planning to bring it on my trip and I haven't worn it yet. It's also from Garage and it's this skirt. I just am not really a fan of this, but it's really cute. I like the green. I got this in an extra small as well. It's cute, you know, and it's simple. And then the last thing I got at the mall is from Hollister. I just saw this plain black top and I thought, okay, that's perfect. It's really nice looking. I really love shirts that scoop down like this in the front because it looks like really flattering on. It matches everything, so it's cool. So that is everything I got. That was my mini haul. A lot of really good stuff. I'm so excited. I don't need to spend any more money. This month was probably like my most expensive month. So after this, I'm cooling off with the spending. I can't, not even just for this trip. I'm gonna use all this stuff for a long time. So I'm excited. And looking at these clothes makes me even more excited to go on my trip. So thank you for watching that little haul. So the next thing to do is pick out all of the other items I'm gonna wear with these clothes and put together outfits, pack my stuff. It's crazy. It is literally Saturday. I leave in 2 days. Oh my God. Tonight we are leaving. I am so excited. I've been looking up Pinterest photos all day of like New York summer, blah, blah, blah. I just can't contain myself. I'm so ready to go. Well, actually not really. I have so much to pack still. I'm opening up this package. This is the last thing I ordered. It came at the perfect time. So it's this top. I think it's cool. So it's this Ed Hardy shirt. I keep seeing this style and I'm like, honestly, it's kind of cute. This top specifically, like a lot of the Ed Hardy stuff is not really my fave, but this top I thought was really cute. The back is nice. So I've had a busy day. I woke up and I tanned by the pool for 30 minutes. I actually got pretty tan. For 30 minutes, that's pretty good. It's the middle of July and I'm still pale. How is that even happening? And then I took a shower, I shaved, I started to pack all my stuff. I took some Instagram pictures I really want to post before I leave. So right now it is 4:13. We are leaving tonight at 2:30 a.m. for the airport. We're gonna drive there. It takes like an hour to get to LAX. I'll tell you guys all about the flight situation. We have one stop where we have to get off and board another plane, but I'll tell you guys about that later. Right now I need to pack. So I tried on some clothes yesterday and kind of got some outfits picked out, as you guys saw, but this is what I have packed in my suitcase. And then here's my couch full of stuff that I need to figure out if I'm taking or not. I pretty much have most of my outfits down, but I still need like 1 or 2 like completely new outfits. I like to figure out exactly what days I'm gonna wear each thing on. That just helps me figure everything out. All right, so this is the top. I like it, but it's see-through. Like I don't have a bra that can't be seen through this shirt. Like, I don't know what to do. This one is the closest I have. It's like peach and it's like a bralette, lacy. It's cute. Like, look at the back. I just don't like that. Look, I actually did get tan though. I'm proud of myself. Okay, I'm thinking this one could be cute. I have a white tank top and then this like peach bralette that I have showing right here. I think that looks cute. And then I have my beige pants on that I'm gonna bring. This might be an outfit. The thing is, it's gonna be so hot, so like I really have to pack well. I think this will work though. I have this like beige bag I could even take. I don't know if that's too much with this outfit, but I definitely wanna bring this bag. So we left for the airport at around 2 a.m. and then we drove to LAX. We got some sandwiches that were very overpriced and we had our first flight. That was from LA to Denver, and then we boarded our second flight like right after that, which was from Denver to New York. As soon as we got there, we had to figure out the buses to the subway and then buy a Metro card and get to our hotel. Okay, here's our hotel room. It's very simple. We have the bed. We have this clothing rack, a desk, mirror. Oh, the bathroom's so cute. We didn't even look at the bathroom. This mirror, which is huge. This will be perfect. I could put all my makeup right here on this little shelf. We have the soaps, sink. Look at the tile. That looks so cool. The shower's nice, has a glass door. And the floor, so cute. Okay, right now it's 5 o'clock. I'm gonna eat this sandwich because we slept pretty much the whole plane ride, but I never sleep good on planes, so it was kind of rough. So I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna shower, change, and walk around. But we're exhausted and I feel so disgusting. So I definitely think I wanna wash my hair and redo my makeup and all of that, brush my teeth. It's just been a long day. So even though we were really tired, we decided to go out the first night. So we showered, I redid my makeup and my hair, and then we got dressed and we walked around the city a little bit. We met up with our friends that are there for the summer, as I said, and we got pizza. We didn't do anything crazy. We took pictures and just enjoyed the first night there and then planned out what we were gonna do a little bit for the rest of the trip. After that, I literally went to sleep and had some of the best sleep I've had in a while because I was so tired. In my next video, I'm gonna be vlogging our trip for the week. Definitely subscribe and look forward to that, and follow my other social medias. I posted so much on Instagram from this trip. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye guys. Mwah.